Want to add a professional voiceover to your Instagram Reels without ever using your own voice? Let's dive into how to use Instagram Reels text-to-speech feature, a game-changer for creators aiming for accessibility and enhanced engagement. First, open your Instagram app and tap the Reels icon at the bottom center to start creating a new reel. Next, you can either upload a video from your camera roll or record a new reel by tapping and holding the record button. After you've recorded your video or selected one, you'll see several editing tools. Now, tap the icon in the top corner to add text to your reel. Type in any text you want your automated voiceover to read. This could be a description, a call to action, or anything else you want to communicate to your audience. Once you have typed your text, you will see the text box displayed on the screen. Now, tap on the text you've just added to select it, then look at the bottom of the screen. You'll see several editing options. Spot the three dots and tap them. This unveils a set of special features. From the menu that appears when you tap the three dots, select the text-to-speech feature, which usually has a speaker icon. This icon allows you to choose from either voice. From here, choose your preferred voice and tap Done. You can then adjust the placement, size, color, and duration of your text just like you normally would. Finally, review your reel and tap the arrow to progress to the final step. Add relevant hashtags to increase your reel's visibility, then tap Share. Congratulations! You've successfully used text-to-speech to narrate your Instagram reel.